What have I told you? To tell your loved ones about your goals? What do you want to achieve? They want it. They think you lost your mind. That is impossible. You have to be brave enough to share these thoughts because you know that one day they will be a reality. If you have people in your life who respond negatively, then you must ask yourself if these are the right people to move you forward. Their thoughts and feelings will influence your behaviors. If they complain that they are tired, you will feel tired. If they complain that life is too hard, you'll think the same. It's time to make a change. Don't be afraid to live. There's no certainty, just attempts. It all depends on what you decide right now. Each day has a delicious magical secret. Fear is a delay in life that prevents us from making transformations from our personal growth or from gaining experiences to improve as individuals. Emotions like fear of liking, fear of not working, fear of accepting challenges, fear of living. Is it worth failing to take advantage of life's opportunities out of sheer fear? Trying and failing does happen, but the future belongs to God. But if you really want to go with your soul, take a chance. Don't feel guilty about your happiness. Duration of your feelings doesn't matter as much as the intensity. Prefer 1,000 days in one than 1 day in 1,000. Plan to turn your life around. Is it worth failing to take advantage of life's opportunities out of sheer fear? It can happen that you grow up and are no longer cute and fluffy. No longer grandpa's sweetheart. No more daddy's prince. And even the poor boogeyman leaves you. You lose imaginary friends, no longer living surrounded by people wanting to pamper you and make your will. You just can't cry anymore. So you don't go to school. You cannot respond to teachers when you get angry or are rude, or educate and make excuses that you are too young to understand that certain words hurt. Nobody puts you to sleep telling your favorite stories anymore. You lose all the perks and you become responsible for what captivated you. You grow up and learn to make mistakes in order to win. Every day you can consider yourself the winner due to the simple fact that you are alive. And this is our best reward. Won't you just try? You have to fight to get what you want. So go and never give up. If you've lost everything but faith, nothing is lost.